We're going to talk about autofocus modes. Autofocus modes tell your camera what to do when you push your focus button. The proper setting can make the difference between your subject being sharp or blurry. Your camera has 3 basic autofocus mode settings. I'll go over each one. AFS. Setting your autofocus mode to AFS works best for taking pictures of things that remain still, like a landscape, a building, or even people if you're pretty sure they're not going to be moving. If you think AFS, think still. S equals still. The next one is AFC. This is for subjects that are continually moving, like sports events, birds in flights, or even a dog, especially if it's running towards you. AFC, think continually moving. AFA lets your camera decide for you, switching from still to continuous depending on what it thinks your subject is. AFA, think automatically decides for you. AFA is the default setting for most cameras, and it's for a good reason. It works best most of the time. Many of your cameras include additional autofocus modes like face detection, eye detection, or even animal eye detection, but we don't have time to cover that in this video. So check your camera's manual right, to find out more about your focus modes, or better yet, come into Horn Photo and ask our experts. Got the picture?